SFC scanning is a commonly used command line to fix corruption in Windows 10 operating system. But if you find any corruption in it, you can usually use DISM commands, like RestoreHealth, to fix it. That way, we can resolve the corruption without having to reinstall the operating system. In general, Deployment Image Servicing and Management will download necessary files from Windows Update to replace the bad file. But sometimes, DISM may fail to repair the corrupted image. In this case, you can try DISM command line with source option. To fix system problems more simply and securely, it's also suggested to create a system image in Windows 10 for recovery needs. And you must have an ISO image file that is the same built-in version of the Windows 10 operating system. Here are some important things you need to know before you do this process. When you mount your Windows image file in this way, you will see an add-on drive in the This PC window. In it, you will see the setup files to repair Windows operating system, as well as it will create a drive letter in the add-on drive that used to type the destination on the DISM command line. You have to note that drive letter before you type the command lines. As you can see here, this PC displayed it as D drive. So I need to use D drive as destination. Now let's start the work. This is how DISM offline repair works in Windows 10. You need to restart your computer to take effect after completing all the manual commanding processes.